Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix blurry Instagram stories on your Android phone. So, sometimes what happens, you post some stories, but it gets blurry. It is blurred everywhere. And to fix it, how you can do it, just follow me and I'll be teaching you very easy steps. So if you have any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Instagram and then go to your profile, and you'll be over here like this. Just go to three lines over here, and then over here you'll be having a lot of options like this. Just go a bit down until you find this option which says data usage and media quality. Just go over there, and then over here make sure this data saver is turned off and this upload high quality is turned on, and then just post your stories. Everything will be fine and it will fix the blurry Instagram stories every time you post a story. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.